It's about nerve control now.
So we've gone the full distance here, nothing definitive, and we will be back shortly for a penalty shootout. Messi first in line. And he does it with poise.
You need a very strong mind in those situations. Any penalty that goes in is a good one.
Neymar is looking to do his bit. And the keeper's come up trumps.
Oh, the keeper's done brilliantly to keep his eye on the ball and make such a great save.
Argentina are looking for comfort. Top corner. And the lead is 2. So down by 2, another miss can be game, set and match. Big character, big moment, big save. Paredes will take the third penalty.
He was always looking good there. Nice penalty.
Brazil must score here to stay in it. What poise! What noise!
He knew exactly what he wanted to do there and executed it perfectly.
So this to seal it. Oh, brilliant! He had to save it, and he did.
Well, he felt the goalkeeper outsteered him there, which gave him the edge.
He must, but can he? Sticks it away.
Pick your spot, don't change your mind, and the keeper should be neutralised.
Di Maria is able to finish it here. Oh, he saved it!
He was so focused there. Fantastic save.
Brazil at the point of no return. And stuck away with ice in his veins. It's 3 apiece. Some can barely watch here. Every kick potentially pivotal.
Well, he totally nailed that penalty, picked his spot, and didn't change.
Calmly, he puts the ball down on the spot. The margin of error is 0. Saved it! And that's won it! So in the end, they just about prevailed. All the emotional torture and travails, worth it in the end. The end of the game. Reflections?
That is a superb win. This is one of those games where the result justifies whatever means. Just look at the players celebrating with the fans. Everyone pumped. Takes me back.
And all that remains for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us tonight. A very good evening to one and all.